One or third in there.
Oh shit, buddy. I'm gonna have rain ears.
These triggers on these are very touchy.
Huh?
These triggers on these guns.
Well, I know
touchy,
that. Yeah.
because I filed them down.
Yeah. What? Holy fuck. I can feel that shockwave. Holy shit. Holy shit. I have to walk up there and see that. Holy shit. And I felt that shockwave and boom. That ain't too bad. That's like the 30-06 of mine anyway. That wasn't too loud. That's like the 30-06 of mine, but
There's a little bit more powder.
holy shit. Feel that shockwave. Boom.
Your grandpa?
Yeah. Holy shit.
Jesus Christ, no. That bullets are a little bit different than your 30-06.
Yeah. Should have got that big one out when he was done. Holy.
You feel that?
Yeah, I can feel it right through my chest.
There's a little bit more powder in them bullets.
Holy.
There's more powder in them bullets when you go back to 30-06 powder.
Yeah, I don't need that powerful. Dang, that freaking jug got pwned.
That one was over here.
I still got water in it. That one, this one got the thing blew right out of it.
Yeah, this one's starting to.
That one got annihilated. God damn. That phone took up the whole side camera. Ooh.
That's all that's left of the mouth shot.